Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we will explore some specific SEO elements that experts recommend. Let's dive in. 6 reasons you should implement SEO for your website. SEO is important to a business because it creates awareness about your product, gets you to rank number 1 on Google where your customers are, and, in the long run, SEO will be cheaper than paid-per-click (PPC) campaigns, hence saving you more money. What can SEO service offer to a business? SEO offers more than just increased organic traffic. For instance, a business with a well-optimized website has a better user experience. SEO helps arrange the website structure and placement of content on the website, thus increasing usability. Also, the business reaps a higher return on investment in the long run. While initially, SEO is time-consuming to implement, once completed, the business stands to benefit without additional costs, unlike paid advertising, which requires constant payment. Also, the business gets to be trusted. Brian Dean of Backlinko, a website that ranks number 1 on search engine result pages, gets a 39% click-through rate, CTR, which is a massive customer approval. When choosing an SEO service, what should a business look for? When choosing SEO for your business, consider the following. 1. Expertise. The person or the agency should demonstrate their knowledge of SEO issues like the latest trends, techniques, and any changes in the field. 2. Experience. The SEO expert should demonstrate a track record and check their portfolio or testimonials that back their expertise. 3. Cost. Consider the cost of the SEO. It should be something well within your budget. 4. Return on investment. A good SEO expert will scan your website and tell you the SEO areas that need improvement. They will develop a plan, and they will measure results. How can a business determine an SEO service's experience level and past success? Check the expert's portfolio to ascertain whether they have something going on. You can also seek reviews from some of the references provided. In addition, if an SEO expert is as good as they say, you should see their website's arrangement and performance. How much should a business expect to pay an SEO expert per month? The average monthly SEO cost in the US, as per REFs, is $3,000. However, if you hire freelance SEOs, you can pay as little as $20 an hour. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork have many foreign freelancers you can hire for small SEO tasks on your website. How can a company best determine its SEO needs? First, you need to set clear objectives. You need to understand what the business wants and where it wants to be. As per BrightEdge report of 2019, 68% of online experiences begin with a search, whereas 98% of all searches emanate from Google. Therefore, your website should try to solve a problem for a section of these people. Hence, there is a need for SEO to help you rank on the top page. Secondly, do a competitor analysis. You must know what your competitors are doing. Are they online? Can you leverage your online presence to take over the niche? These factors can help you determine your SEO needs. Thirdly, understand your audience. You need to put your customers at the center of your SEO plans. For instance, if you have a physical store, you might consider local SEO, a form of SEO that allows you to optimize your business within a specific location. It can include things like ranking on Google My Business listing or Google Maps and other local directories. If your business ships worldwide, you should have it appear to customers in different jurisdictions such as Mexico, Canada, or Europe. After that, you can develop a strategy. The most important SEO elements. Google uses many factors to rank your website. The Google bot checks these factors to select the best user-centric content to recommend to its users. Therefore, you must ensure that your content is helpful to the user. So, the first thing to do is on-page optimization. Ensure that your website is crawlable by the Google bots. Have a perfect page structure from the home page and other pages that emanate from it, such as About, Services, and Blog. Ensure that these pages have functional URLs without any redirects. These will allow Google to rank them. A well-organized page is also good for user experience, and they will stay on the page longer, improving your website ranking. Secondly, Ensure a perfect content strategy. As I mentioned, your page will rank higher based on what it offers Google users. Therefore, ensure that you have adequate content to answer user questions. A perfect content strategy begins with keyword research. Ensure that your website is sprinkled with relevant keywords, questions your potential customers are asking Google, so that your website can be recommended to users looking for services or products your website offers. There are many ways to conduct keyword research, such as using Google to suggest relevant keywords. Off-page and link optimization is another important ranking factor. Google uses a criterion known as EEAT in the SEO realms to rank websites. This stands for expertise, experience, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. Backlinks are simply other websites linking to your website. It shows Google that you are an authority in your industry and your knowledge is reliable. In addition, as per Google, backlinks bring out your expertise and trustworthiness. A study by Backlinko found that an article that ranks number 1 has at least 3x more backlinks than the one that follows. Therefore, endeavor to have backlinks to your website to rank higher. We offer these and more SEO services on our website, www.wpduckling.com. Reach out to us, and we will help you with your SEO. That is it for today. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you are new.